How to turn on battery percentage on iPhone 11. If you have been using the iPhone 11 and wondering on how to turn on the battery percentage on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, find the settings app on your mobile phone. Just right here, now open it. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now scroll down and here you can find battery right here. Now tap on it. Then here you can find battery percentage right here. Now to turn it on, simply tap onto this button right here. Now select it. And now you can see the battery percentage is now showing. Now do the same process to turn off the battery percentage as well. And that's it. This is how you can turn on battery percentage on iPhone 11. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.